So now let's ask another question. What if someone asks us that I would like to know the height, the absolute height, not how much we go up, the absolute height of the mountain at every point. So let me draw the mountain one more time to clarify what this fellow is asking from us. So this is X and Y, and this is our mountain. So it starts from A and goes all the way to B. And this guy is telling us that whatever point X, just any point on the domain of the mountain from A to B, I would like to know the absolute height. I would like to know how much this height is. Okay? So essentially, it's some sort of he is looking for that function y equals f of x. Alright, so it's like telling us that whatever I give you a point, you give me the height. He's looking for f of x, y equals f of x. Let's see if we can find y equals f of x using this formula here, the first fundamental theorem. Okay, it's going to be pretty easy. All I'm going to do is to replace one of the bounds, a or b, by this generic value of x. Okay, let's see how I do it. Let's say I'm going to replace b by x. So f of x replacing b by x minus f of a would be equal to integral of a to, I'm going to replace b by x here, of f prime of x dx. Right? Let me rewrite this formula down here by and taking f of a to the other side. So f of x is equal to f of a plus integral of a to b f prime of x dx. Alright, that's very nice. That's the function that I told you from the very beginning that we do not have, but we can find it. We could find it in the end. See, if we have the derivative of the function, which I argued that we could find, we can take the integral and then add the value of the function at the other bound. So let's say what this guy is telling us. Let's see it in the picture. So by taking this derivative here, we find this height right here. That is the derivative. It tells us how much we go up. Sorry, this has to be x. So this guy tells us how much we go up as we go from point A to point X, which is this much. But it doesn't tell us anything about the absolute value which we're looking for. So we need to tell it the very beginning of the mountain is at height f of a. So f of a here, this is f of a, plus this value of integral here will give us this point, this absolute value of the point. All right? This is normally called, what would we call it? A boundary condition. Let me write it all the way. Without this, we cannot find f of x. Oh, sorry. Boundary condition.